The best gaming phones can be as capable as some portable consoles like the Nintendo Switch, easily rivaling tablets when it comes to performance. If you're into mobile gaming, it's a good idea to have one of these phones to play with. Buying a gaming phone requires different priorities to picking out a regular phone. It's important to look for great performance and a big and high-resolution screen that has a high refresh rate. Good battery life is important too. In this video, I'm going to break down my top 5 best gaming phones for 2022. Because you don't want to regret getting a banned phone that's not worth its price tag. Stay tuned and watch the video. Also, don't forget to give a like when you find this video informative, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. The fifth gaming phone on our list is Asus ROG Phone 5, the best phone with accessories. The Asus ROG Phone 5 might not have mass appeal, with a bulky gamer-esque design, but that's not the aim here. Gaming is the priority here. And Asus has taken things up a notch with a 144Hz AMOLED screen, two 3000 mAh batteries, last year's top-end Snapdragon 888, and up to an eye-watering 16GB of RAM. It can handle just about any game available on Android right now, with enough power left over to future-proof the phone for quite some time. All at a price cheaper than big-name flagships. The gaming experience is further enhanced by haptic triggers built directly into the side of the ROG Phone 5. And if you want to take things a step further, the plethora of official accessories, including Nintendo Switch-esque Kunai 5 controllers and the fan-powered Aero Active Cooler 5 cooling system, should be right up your street. They're not related to gaming, but even the cameras are decent, which is unusual for a gaming phone. We can only really complain about the size and weight, measuring in at 10.3mm thick and 238 grams, but that's not so applicable in the gaming sector. The fourth gaming phone on our list is Red Magic 7S Pro, the phone with most responsive display. The Red Magic 7S Pro is an unusual phone. It's a small upgrade on the 7 Pro, chiefly to include the newer Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. But it's also not a clear upgrade on the regular Red Magic 7 in every respect. And in fact, we'd recommend that phone to most people. The changes here are mostly in the display. The first is that the 7S Pro comes with the most responsive display in any phone, right? Registering touch input at 960 Hz. That is, it can detect touches 960 times a second. That's literally a game changer, but it brings a drawback. The screen refresh rate is only 120 Hz, down from the 165 Hz of the regular 7. The other change is the inclusion of an under-display selfie camera. This helps keep the 7S Pro compact and gives you a gorgeous full-screen experience. But again, there's a trade-off. Your actual selfies won't be all that great, with a soft, overprocessed look to them. This packs plenty of power and delivers on battery life too. But with a hefty price tag, consider carefully if you really need the upgrade from the Red Magic 7, or if you'd be happy with the slightly cheaper Red Magic 7 Pro, which is essentially the same phone with the older Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. The third gaming phone on our list is Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro, the best ultra flagship phone. The Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro is arguably the ultimate gaming phone, but you'll have to pay for it. Performance is the priority here. So the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, the most powerful around. Specs elsewhere are supreme too. With a 165Hz AMOLED screen, 6000 mAh battery, and up to 18GB of RAM. It also features a unique PMOLED screen on the rear of the phone, used to indicate incoming calls, notifications, and charge state. And like all the ROG phones, it ships with a range of optional extra accessories. The only problem is the price. It's more expensive than all its rivals, which in some cases cost half the price but offer similar performance. It's a great high-end bit of kit, but there are plenty of gaming phones that'll give you the same bang for less buck in 2022. The second gaming phone on our list is Black Shark 5 Pro, the best phone with physical triggers. The Black Shark 5 Pro might not redesign the wheel, but it ticks all the boxes for gamers. It has a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate, top-level performance, gaming-specific features like magnetic triggers and gesture-activated shortcuts, plus much more. The 120 watts charging while unchanged, provides some of the snappiest charging times around, achieving a full 100% charge within 30 minutes, though the downside is a smaller battery than alternatives, unlike the touch-based triggers of some rivals. The Black Shark 5 Pro has magnetic triggers that pop up from the body of the phone for a more traditional controller experience, making for a great portable gaming experience without the need to carry additional accessories, though not usually a focus for gaming phones. The Black Shark 5 Pro has an impressive 108MP rear-facing camera that's capable of taking decent snaps, though the decision to include autofocus capabilities to the macro lens and not the more popular 120-degree ultra-wide is an odd decision that leaves some ultra-wide shots looking a little soft. It is more expensive than the competing Red Magic 7 Pro. But the magnetic triggers in particular make the Black Shark 5 Pro a compelling gaming smartphone that negates the need for a controller in many games. The first gaming phone on our list is Red Magic 7, the overall best phone. Nubia's Red Magic smartphones have a reputation as having some of the best gaming-focused displays around, and that's just as true with the latest in the collection. The Red Magic 7, at its heart, is a fast 6, 8 and 165 Hz OLED panel with an impressive 720 Hz touch sample rate that beats practically every other smartphone on the market, though you might not notice much of a difference in real-world performance. It'll certainly satisfy the need for gamers to have the best of the best. That's paired with the flagship specs including Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 12, 16, and 18 GB of RAM, 128, and 256 GB of storage, and an updated 3-fan cooling system to keep things running smoothly during longer gaming sessions. There's also a plethora of gaming features including side-mounted touch-based shoulder triggers, advanced haptic feedback, and the ability to control performance on a per-game basis. And it's all presented in Red Magic's Game Space mode. The rear-facing triple camera setup remains unchanged from the Red Magic 6S, which in itself was the same as the Red Magic 5S, but software improvements mean it fares a little better this time around. The only real disappointment is battery life. It's smaller than that of its predecessor at a rather average 4,500 mAh, and combined with a 165 Hz display, it drains much more quickly. Thanks for watching the video to the end. We appreciate your support. And we'd love some more if you want us to keep doing these types of videos. You can do that by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing, and turning on the bell notification.